friends, welcome to the Learn Delight. Today I'm going to share the one good useful app which makes your blog readers more happy. Like in this app, you can easily create customize the creative image for your blog post or your social media blog post or whatever the marketing content you have created. You just need some catchy blog image, so you can make without effort of Photoshop and any other complex app. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to download this Adobe Spark Post. After downloading this, you can see the interface like this. Okay. As you can see as you can see here, the like more categories over here, like seasonal, like lifestyle, business, all kind of the images are there. Just choose one image from here. Like I'm just going to go to the business category and choose one relevant to the blog. So yeah, I'm just gonna choose this one. After choosing this one image, I'm gonna click on the remix. After clicking on the remix, okay, you can get this kind of interface here, which is like add, design, palette, resize, layout, effects. So first of all, you would like to do just double tap on the text. So you just change the text. So whatever you want, how to create the blog post image. How to create? Let me type here. How to create blog post image. Yeah, just image. Effortlessly. So yeah, effortlessly, right? Okay, I just tap OK, and as you can get here, just go to, I just want to change the color to yellow, maybe black, uh, black, and tap on the black, right? And just change the font from here. So you can change the font from here. Yeah, that's pretty soothing, right? I don't need this icon here, so I'm just gonna delete this. So yeah, I'm a little bit, yeah, I'm gonna delete this. And after that, I just want to choose this color, the black. No, white. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We're done. And what I'm gonna do is just let me experiment with another design which just looks more sassy or not. Yeah, this like change the whole look of your design after clicking this. So make sure you like it. It's cool. Yeah, it's cool. So what I'm gonna do is now just making done. uh, Go to the design again. Sorry, not design. Just tap on text. Sorry. Okay. Okay. In the text, you can go to the shape, so you can get the shape like this. Okay. After getting this shape, just go to the color. Okay, and go to the tap the color, so it will, and then go to the opacity if you want to lose the decrease the transparency from this. I'm going to go to color, and oh sorry, we made a mistake here. We just want to make the text white and the shape. Okay, so yeah, when you click on the text, just make sure you double tap. So yeah, so yeah, here it's black, so I'm just gonna change. I'm gonna go to the color again. So yeah, I can change this. I need a white color, but I don't know why it's not. Okay, it's white. It's fine. It's fine. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, it's good. You can see here, right? Okay. Now next we just wanted to different side. Okay, how to create blog post image effortlessly. Okay, right. Now the next thing is effects. Go to the effect and you can just customize your image look, how your image is viewed. No, matte. Yeah, it's pretty. Okay, okay, this is red would be fine. I just done okay, right? And then after you, the whatever the platform you are targeting or what's your target audience is all about on platform. If you want to go Instagram, click Instagram. Resize menu. You got the Facebook. You want to post on Pinterest, just choose Pinterest. Blog post, you just choose the blog post. YouTube thumbnail, okay, YouTube thumbnail done. I just gonna YouTube thumbnail is done. So you can post anywhere on almost all social media platforms. All the sizes are done by here in the resize panel, so you don't need to do again and again. Okay, I hope you like the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.